Asus designs its Republic of Gamers line of laptops for gamers of all budgets and needs, and it recently introduced two new Strix variants, one of which I'm reviewing here. This is the Scar Edition, which is designed for FPS gamers. What differentiates the Scar Edition and make it suitable for fans of first-person shooter is its blistering 144Hz refresh rate and inclusion of Nvidia's G-Sync technology. Despite these awesome specs, it's still rocking an IPS panel, so you don't need to give up on viewing angles or color accuracy for a high refresh. Throw in a GTX 1070 GPU, and you've got yourself a worthy contender to the mobile gaming throne. Following the same design principles as the rest of the ROG line, the gray exterior is broken up only by the ROG logo on the lid, and a cutout between the hinges, showing the carbon fiber aesthetic that surrounds the keyboard and touchpad. A 4-zone customizable RGB keyboard lights up immediately upon opening the lid. Just above the keyboard are 4 shortcut keys, putting access to volume up-down, microphone mute, and the ROG Gaming Center at your fingertips. The touchpad is decorated with ticks and lines reminiscent of crosshairs found in the sniper scope. On the left side is the charging port, an Ethernet port, a mini display port, HDMI port, 2 USB Type-A 3.0 ports, and a combo audio jack. On the opposite side, you will find 2 more USB Type-A 3.0 ports, a USB Type-C 3.1 with Thunderbolt support port, and a full-sized SD card reader. A 15.6-inch FHD panel with a pleasing refresh rate of 144Hz is powered by a Nvidia GTX 1070 GPU, and primary thrust is provided by an Intel Core i7-7700HQ CPU and 16GB of DDR4 RAM. In total, the ROG Strix measures 15.2 by 10.3 by 1 inches and weighs 5.1 pounds. It's a bit hefty, but considering Asus Max-Q ROG Zephyrus is 4.9 pounds, it's not overly bulky. Between the 256GB SSD and 1TB hybrid SSHD, there's plenty of room to keep all of your games and personal files before needing to add any extra storage. Overall, the ROG Strix holds its own compared to similarly equipped gaming laptops. I was consistently playing PUBG on high setting and seeing an average of around 120 FPS. Ultra settings would drop that down between 19 and 100 FPS. Multitasking is smooth. I could see myself using this laptop as an everyday workhorse and a gaming machine on the weekends. No matter the model, there seems to be a common occurrence when it comes to the battery performance of the ROG lineup. It's not all that impressive. In fact, the ROG Strix scored near the bottom out of all the laptops I've tested using IGN's battery rundown test at just 81 minutes. At $1,899, the ROG Strix is more affordable than the only slightly lighter $2,299 ROG Zephyrus, and it is just as capable. My only real complaint is that the battery life is predictably short. Otherwise, this is a great machine. It packs outstanding performance in a medium-sized chassis while not entirely breaking the bank.